Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. An entrepreneur struggles for capital that can enable him to successfully realize his idea. For any entrepreneur, a great business is one that is not capital intensive. There are many small business ideas that require very less investment. These ideas, if executed well, can ensure that the business flourishes and is profitable. A business idea with low investment is a very desirable proposition. However, most people are not sure what those ideas would be and how it could fit into their scheme of things. Event wedding planner. Yes, weddings never go out of fashion. Whether the economy is booming or growing through a recession, there is always a market for weddings. To add to it, weddings range from the big fat Indian weddings to very private gatherings. To put things in perspective, the Indian wedding market was estimated to be around $50 billion, around 33,000 crore rupees in the year 2017, and it's growing at a rate of 20% per year. This presents a huge opportunity for wedding planners who can ensure wedding themes, planners, decorators, caterers are in place and immaculately plan and organize the entire wedding ceremony. It requires initial capital investment for staff, logistics, and arrangements for which a plethora of small business loan options are available at your disposal. While the initial investment is low, the returns that can be made when the business scales is significant. Is it? So thank you so much guys. Be happy. Take care.